Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best mouse that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the NZXT Lift 2 Symm lightweight ergonomic wired gaming mouse. PC manufacturer NZXT has been venturing out into the peripherals market with impressive products for a company so relatively new to the game. And the NZXT Lift 2 Symm is no exception. This mouse has a hollow interior and a base that uses minimal plastic. This gives it an ultra-lightweight feel, but avoids the odd feeling that other mice, like the SteelSeries Aerox 3, give off by reducing the amount of plastic in the pieces that touch your hands. Combined with an 8,000 Hz polling rate, optical switches, and an excessively robust 26 kDpi optical sensor, this mouse is more than capable of handling even the fastest games at a low price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Logitech G203 wired gaming mouse. Budget gaming mice often forgo a lot of the conveniences and performance you get out of nicer models, but the Logitech G203 never feels like it's lacking. The sensor has a lower maximum sensitivity than you'll get out of a more expensive offering, 8,000 dots per inch, so if you need that top-end sensitivity, you'll want to look elsewhere. But it features 6 buttons, compatibility with Logitech's G-Hub software, and most importantly, has RGB lighting. Those are all things you typically expect to pay more for. At number 3, we have the Turtle Beach Burst 2 Air 2.4 GHz wireless gaming mouse. The Turtle Beach Burst 2 Air at times felt like it wasn't even there. I've played with a lot of mice that cut out huge chunks of their plastic hull to reduce weight, but the Burst 2 Air feels incredibly light without all the gaping holes. The skates are so smooth, I felt like I could push the mouse around by blowing on it. The USB-A wireless dongle fits inside a small compartment on the bottom, right next to a physical switch that swaps between 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth modes. 2 customizable thumb buttons sit along the side, while a third button for cycling DPI sits farther down along the edge, which I found particularly interesting. Most mice put this button on the top of the mouse, where it can sometimes be accidentally pressed, but this spot is so convenient, it makes me wonder why Turtle Beach is the first company I've seen place it here. At number 2, we have the Logitech MX Master 3S wireless mouse. The MX Master 3S isn't a gaming mouse per se, but it's also better at being a gaming mouse than many dedicated gaming mice. It features a few extra customizable buttons, plus a horizontal side-scrolling wheel. It's ridiculously comfortable. Logitech's been making mice for years, and this mouse benefits from all that experience, with a smooth arc for your palm and a rest spot for your thumb. It even includes a button in that spot where your thumb naturally rests. This is the preferred daily mouse of many wired staffers, including senior reviews editor Parker Hall. The one downside is that the 125 Hz polling rate is a bit low for competitive FPS games. But if you're looking for something more solo, it's hard to get more comfortable than this. And finally, at number 1, we have the Logitech G Pro X SUPERLIGHT 2 wireless gaming mouse. For fast-paced games like FPS shooters, speed matters more than anything else. The few milliseconds between when your brain tells your finger to press a button and the game registering the button press can be the difference between virtual life and death. Wireless mice are often at a disadvantage on this front, but Logitech's Pro X SUPERLIGHT 2 is one of the few that rivals wired mice in speed, with a 32,000 DPI sensor and 2K polling for speedy response. It also features 2 programmable side buttons, an internal compartment to store its USB wireless receiver, and it's comfortable for most people's hands. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.